BTS News Today.in. The midst of being busy as a world idol, BTS's Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung again stole the public's attention. This time, the three were caught on camera moving something in the middle of a blizzard. Videos and photos of the moment immediately circulated on social media, sparking a furor and speculation among fans. A heavy snowstorm, with strong winds and extreme temperatures, did not prevent the trio from working hard. With thick jackets and full winter gear, they were seen focused on moving some large boxes and other items into a vehicle. This scene raises many questions. What are they doing in such harsh weather? ARMY, as BTS fans are called, around the world are vying to guess the reason behind this moment. Some speculate that this may be part of the preparation of a secret project, such as filming a new music video or a special event to celebrate their achievements. Some fans even suspected that they were helping local communities affected by the blizzard. It's one of the reasons I love them. Even in the midst of extreme weather, they still try to give their best. Wrote a fan on Twitter, "If the allegations that they are helping the local community are true, then this is not the first time BTS members have shown their caring personalities." BTS is known to often perform social actions, both individually and as a group. From donations for education to anti-bullying campaigns, they continue to use their influence for positive things. According to reports from one of the South Korean media, the activities of Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung are actually related to the preparation of the upcoming concert that will take place in a snowy location. The three decided to help the production team directly despite the inclement weather. This move shows how humble they remain and work hard despite being at the peak of popularity. Fans around the world greeted this moment with a variety of reactions, ranging from admiration to concern for their state of health. They are really inspiring. But please, take care of your health in the midst of such extreme weather, wrote one Instagram user, and no matter what the reason behind this incident, one thing is certain: Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung have shown incredible dedication. This moment became another proof of their hard work and sincere soul, which continues to inspire millions of fans around the world. The moment Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung faced this blizzard was not only a warm conversation, but also provided an important lesson about dedication and cooperation. Although they have achieved great success as one of the largest groups in the world, moments like this show that they are still mere mortals ready to intervene to make sure everything goes well at IT. Also shows the values that BTS has always upheld: hard work, humility, and solidarity. As global idols, they not only focus on personal achievement, but also continue to motivate people to work together, face challenges, and care for others. Although some media reports have suggested their activities, there is still a mystery surrounding the incident. Some fans believe that BTS is preparing for something really special, especially with their increasingly busy schedule ahead of the new year. Is this part of the preparation of a new album? Or maybe a solo project of one of the members? No one knows for sure. Obviously, BTS always has surprises for their fans. Not only fans, international media also highlighted this incident. News of their actions captured in the middle of a blizzard was covered by various media outlets, from entertainment outlets to headlines. Many praised their dedication and called this the inspiring story of the biggest K-pop group in the world. Seeing big stars like BTS directly involved in physical labor in the midst of extreme conditions really proves how down-to-earth they are, wrote one of the articles in Global Music magazine. As a fan, ARMY always wishes BTS all the best. Many sent messages of support via social media, wishing for the members to stay healthy and strong amid their hectic schedules. Some even organized hashtag trends to show their admiration, such as hashtag BTS Inspires or hashtag StaySafeBTS, which had become trending in various countries. I'm sure whatever they do is for something extraordinary, but please, stay healthy. We, the ARMY, will always support from afar, wrote a fan from the Philippines. This incident is a reminder of how special BTS is not only as artists, but also as dedicated and inspiring individuals. Even in extreme weather, they show a spirit of cooperation and sincerity that inspires many. Although the mystery behind this stunt may not have been completely solved, one thing is certain: BTS has always managed to create meaningful moments, not only for themselves but also for their fans around the world. Now, the ARMY can only wait with enthusiasm to find out what surprises Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung are preparing. Either way, they know it's going to be awesome, because that's how BTS always works wonders. Snowstorm, symbol of BTS's struggle, the moment that sees Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung fighting a blizzard to complete their task, seems to have a deeper meaning. This blizzard can be likened to the symbol of BTS journey, going through various great challenges to reach the peak of their career. From hard times when debuting to becoming a global icon, BTS has always been known as an unyielding group. Fans also link this event to the messages BTS often convey in their songs. For example, songs like Not Today and Spring Day that tell about struggle and hope in the midst of adversity. They're not just singing about fighting the storm, they're actually doing it, one ARMY member wrote on social media. With BTS always full of surprises, many believe that this moment is part of a big project that will be announced soon. Some fan theories suggest that they may be preparing a music video for a new song with a winter theme, given that snowy weather provides the perfect atmosphere for such a concept. There is also speculation that this may be related to an international collaboration, or even the filming of a documentary featuring their behind-the-scenes lives. BTS has previously released documentaries such as Burn the Stage and Break the Silence, so it is possible that this is part of a new series that will provide a deeper look at their dedication. Not only inspiring fans, Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung's action in the middle of a snowstorm is also an important reminder of hard work and caring for others. Many fans claim to be motivated by their sincerity, and some of the ARMY community even began planning social actions as a form of support for BTS's values in South Korea. For example, a number of armies have raised funds to help communities affected by snowstorms. In other countries, fans are also organizing donation activities for programs that support education and social welfare, inspired by BTS' frequent moves. This story of Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung teaches us that success doesn't come without effort. Despite being on top of the world, they do not hesitate to show that hard work is the key to all their achievements. More than that, they also prove the importance of remaining humble and always ready to help, whatever the circumstances. The members of BTS, including Jimin, Jungkook, and Taehyung, continue to be role models for millions of people around the world, not only as a talented artist, but also as an individual who showed real courage, solidarity, and sincerity. With all the speculation going around, fans can only wait patiently to find out what the trio are actually working on in the midst of the blizzard. Is it a music project that will rock the world? Or maybe something more personal and heartfelt? One thing is for sure, BTS always knows how to give ARMY a memorable surprise in their every move. BTS shows not only their professionalism as artists, but also the strength of their hearts as human beings. No matter what storm they face, both literally and symbolically, ARMY knows that they will always stand firm together, inspiring the world in ways only BTS can. So, no matter what they are doing, armies around the world will definitely continue to support them. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it.